Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Iqra English School. I hope you all must be fine. You know that this is your class 4th NCERT EVS book, and we are reading the chapter number 26, Defense Officer Wahida Prism. Dear students, have you ever seen the picture of this lady? This is a defense officer, Wahida. And in this chapter, we will read about her career and how we will read about her that how she became a defense officer. So first of all, I want to read the introduction of this chapter. Subject EVS, class 4th, chapter number 26, Defense Officer Wahida. Dear students, have you ever seen the picture of this lady? If not, then let's read and know about her. In this chapter, we will read about this lady. This is Wahida Prism. She is a doctor as well as a defense officer in Navy. Wahida Prism is talking about her career in an interview that how she became a doctor and as well as a defense officer. You know that she is the first woman to command the annual parade of the Armed Force Medical College. Wahida once said in a newspaper that she always wanted to do something different. When she was in school, she used to ride the motorcycle. She used to go to the camps of her school and climb mountain and was also a girl guide. After finishing school in Jammu and Kashmir, she started a study to become a doctor. It took 5 years to become a doctor, and for 5 years she studied hard in Medical College of Jammu and became a doctor. Then she gave an interview to join the army. After being selected into an army, she also attended the 6 months training to join the navy. When she got an opportunity to work in the navy, she went ahead and gave her name for the defense officer. Now she has become an officer in the Navy. She also said in an interview that she is very fond of traveling and now she travels to the different places in the Navy ship. She does the work as a doctor in the Navy and takes care of health of all the officers and sailors on the ship. Dear students, you know that in the olden days, the girls were not allowed to go to school for study. They were not allowed to go out to get higher studies. Even the girl were not allowed to go out and play the outdoor games. People thought that the girls should stay at home and they should do their household work only. There is no need for the girls to get the higher studies, but now the thinking of the people has been changed. This is the spelling Changed. By mistake, this is here R is written. Okay, so this is Changed. Now people realized that the girls can also do something different as the boys. Girls can also study high. You must have listened the name of very famous women's personality as players, athletics, and politicians. I will show you some pictures of this woman's personality who enhance the pride of our country and the whole country proud of them. So this is the picture of Anju Baby George. She is an athletics. This is the picture of Saina Nehwal, that is a badminton player. This is a picture of Karnam Malleshwari. She is a weightlifter. This is a picture of Sania Mirza. She is a tennis player. This is PT Usha, the athletics. This is Bachendri Pal. She is the first Indian woman who reached on the top of the Himalaya, Mount Everest. This is the one of the most highest peak of the Himalaya. Mount Everest is the most highest peak of the Himalaya. This is Sunita Williams and this is Kalpana Chawla. These both ladies are the astronaut. This is our first Prime Minister of India, First Lady Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi. This is the first woman President of India, Pratibha Patil.